Goldman Sachs estimates AI could automate the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs. Most people hear that and panic. The few who understand what's happening are about to get paid. Open any news app and it's the same story on repeat. Layoffs, automation, whole careers declared obsolete by the end of the decade. It's designed to scare you, and it's working. But here's the part the headlines skip. A disruption this big doesn't just destroy value, it moves it. And right now, almost nobody is positioned to catch what's moving. PwC projects AI will add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That money doesn't vanish. It flows to whoever learned to use it first. Let's be honest about the threat. Data entry, basic copywriting, support, simple design, automated, fast. If your work is a repeatable task, a model can already do most of it. What makes this different is the speed. The internet took 20 years to reshape work. AI is doing it in 18 months. There's no time to wait and see. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Sit still and hope it passes, and you're not safe. You're volunteering to be the cost they cut. Standing still is the only losing move. Now, the contrarian part. Every disruption transfers wealth from the people who froze to the people who acted. When markets crash, assets go on sale. When work changes, opportunity goes on sale. And this is the rare moments when almost everyone is frozen. Your neighbors are scared. Your competitors are scared. That fear is exactly why the lane in front of you is wide open. You're not going to out-type a machine, so stop trying. You wield it. The people who profit are simply the ones who picked up the tool first. Here are 6 ways to do that, starting today. Mode 1. Become the AI person. Millions of small businesses know they should use AI and have no idea where to start. You don't need to be an engineer, just 6 months ahead of them. Pick 3 tools and master them. Then offer a local business to set up their AI replies, their content, their scheduling. They're not buying software. They're buying someone who will just do it for them. Implementation pays because it removes fear. A dentist will gladly pay $1,000 to never think about it again. Do that for 10 clients and you've replaced a salary from the disruption everyone dreads. Move 2. Productize one boring workflow. Every industry has a tedious, repetitive task people hate doing. That task is now a product, and AI builds the engine for you. Think contract summaries for realtors, menu descriptions for restaurants, weekly reports for agencies. Wrap a simple AI workflow around one painful job and charge a flat monthly fee. No team, just the workflow. The beauty is you build the system one time and sell the same solution to 100 customers in the same niche. That's the leverage that used to require investors. Now it requires a weekend. Move 3. Sell the output, not the tool. Most people fail here because they try to sell AI. Nobody wants AI. They want the finished thing it produces, delivered and done. Open Fiverr or Upwork today. People are paying for blog posts, product photos, voiceovers, edited videos. Deliver those in a fraction of the time with AI and keep the margin the old freelancer couldn't. The buyer doesn't care how you made it. They care it's good and it's fast. AI makes you 10 times faster, so take 10 times the work or charge a premium for same-day delivery. Move 4. Build a faceless content engine. Attention is the asset that appreciates while everything else gets automated, and you no longer need a camera, a face, or a studio to capture it. AI scripts the video, narrates it, and helps you edit. You pick the niche and hit publish. One faceless channel about a topic you find boring can quietly outturn a full-time job. It's the same machine running in front of you right now. The content keeps playing, keeps earning, keeps growing an audience long after the work is done. That's an asset, not a job. Move 5. Turn one-off work into a recurring offer you own. One-time payments are a treadmill. The wealth is the same customer paying you every month for something they can't easily cancel. Make your service a monthly retainer. Add an email list, a community, a simple product to your content. When you own the audience, no algorithm can switch off your income overnight. Move 6. Reinvest and let it compound. The first few $100s aren't for spending. They're fuel. Pour them back into better tools, more content, and systems that remove you from the work. Reinvested, one income stream funds the second, then the third. The person who started terrified of being replaced ends up running a machine that prints money from the exact change that scared them. Here's what every disruption proves. The people who come out ahead aren't the smartest or the luckiest. They acted while everyone else was still arguing about whether it was even real. So, there's your playbook. Become the AI person. Productize a workflow, sell the alphabet, build a content engine, turn it recurring, reinvest and compound. 6 moves, all open to you today. And the window has never been wider than right now, precisely because most people are frozen. In a year these lanes get crowded. Today, the fear stopping them is your head start. Don't try all 6. Pick the one that fits the skills you already have, and take the first real step this week. The AI job apocalypse is only an apocalypse if you are on the wrong side of it. Get paid for the future instead of fearing it. If this gave you one move you can actually use, subscribe to Moth Money, and we'll see you in the next one.